Hi all, back to my channel. So this is a continuation of the previous video. So in the previous video, I have told you how to read a dataset. Now, sometimes there are problems where my dataset is present in one location, but my notebook is open from another location. Let's see an example. Okay, so we are loading this Pandas library. And ignore this for some time being. Once the Pandas library is loaded, now let's see and try to read the dataset. See, we are getting an error. So the error says file not found. No such file or directory exists. So why it is sometimes we are not sure what is the reason. So what we do, we have to check the directory from which directory my Jupyter notebook is opened. So for this, we are importing OS, Shift Enter. We'll get the directory from where my Jupyter notebook is opened. Okay, we get to know that it is Jupyter notebook is open from users Rahul. Now my data set is in downloads library. You just have to see. So I'll show you where is my data set. My data set is present in my data set is present in the downloads library, but my Jupyter notebook is open from this point. So it will automatically throw you error, right? It will go with this Jupyter notebook. What it will do, it will go and search here whether named file is available or not. If it is not available, it will obviously throw error, right? So what I have to do is I have to create a variable called path and add doubles after Rahul, add double slash downloads double slash. Once you load this and then try to read my data set. So it says what is the issue? Store in okay. pd.weather.csv. Whether let me check whether it is available or not. Weather.csv is available. It should not throw error. Users Rahul. Okay, so why it threw error? Because we did not we did not give a path. So what we do is we give a path plus weather. Now it is loaded. Now you can see my data set. So this is the weather data set. You can rename it as whether I used a previous variable. So you can use it. You can look at this, look at how many number of rows available by using shape. There are 10,481 rows and 30 variables or my features. You can also see what are those features and what are its types. Let's do an info here. You can see what pickup date is, object, temperature, or float. Basically it will give you a data type based on so float. My data is in float, right? So it will give you float. So there are a few nans which are missing values. I will show you how to treat them and how to impute them and correct my data set. So this is a basic video on how to load a data set when the data set is not loaded from the correct location, or you can say my Jupyter notebook is loaded from some other location, but my data set is present in other location. So you can go ahead with this sort of trick. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my videos, do subscribe and comment on what sort of videos I should make to help you guys. Thank you so much.